Hi, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. Today I am showing some more prompts for this winter challenge. Days of Winter, 15-day winter challenge prompt. And I am going to show the rest of the prompts that I have done. And I have 3 left that I haven't done. So, here we go. If you're new, you haven't seen this winter, Days of Winter journal that we're doing in the Stay Creative Crafting Circle. And I mean, you could take your time doing it. It has 15 prompts, Days of Winter, and I'm gonna show you. This is my jacket. The jacket is made out of. I try to use as much things that I've made, as possible, and things that I have, and scraps and this and that. So everybody can do this. It don't take a lot of money. You can make it big money, a big money deal, but you don't have to. You can use and recycle what you got. And I love to recycle. So, get my little gloves together. Okay. I'm going in. Yesterday I done prompt, what prompts I done yesterday? Prompt 6, number 6, which is the shaking pieces or a window element. See, you follow okay? That's what make it interesting. You got a task to follow. And number 8 was the envelope with the journal card in it. I showed that. I showed those 2 yesterday. Got a video on it. I had to tie it because the mouth was getting so wide, but this is not the ribbon I'll have with the finished product. Okay. And I have, with the flip through, I'm gonna have some bonus pages, y'all, that I done, and they're quite interesting. Let's start with, I've done the winter tag, hidden pocket, winter postcard. Flip up, flip down. Let's see. Okay. This is my eyes is bad. Prompt number 5. The flip up, you have to make a flip. The flip up or flip down. Okay. I'm not really good at that, but I made something. I put some Velcro here. And this is the flip down. So flip down, and I got journal paper in here. And that's number 5. Let me scratch out number 5 that I've done. Okay. This is the pocket with the hidden, the hidden pocket. It's a pocket here, and a pocket there. That's the hidden pocket. Let's see. Pocket and a hidden note. That was number 2. There it is. And I had already made this pocket a long time ago, and that's why I like to make stuff ahead of time, because you don't know what you're gonna run into. You're gonna already have it. Okay. I'm trying to not let y'all see everything because I have some bonus stuff in here. This is the belly band. This is one of the prompts for the belly band. Okay. And I have some things in there. Got a little winter thing, ephemera, and a card. That's the belly band. This is a vintage page. So that's the belly band. A journal card. Yeah. This is an envelope. This was made with the envelope, a junk mail envelope, okay? And I had a tag that I'd already made ahead of time, a long time ago. And I got some journal card, you can write on the back. And there's a pocket behind there. And this window here. This window of opportunity. I'm gonna stick this back in here. Okay, this is a tuck spot. Called for a tuck spot. It called for a cloth of fabric trim. There we have it, fabric trim. I got a video how I got this, y'all. I'm just saying. This is a mini journal. Papers to write in. And you could also tuck under there. This is another tuck spot. I'm trying to not show the pages that I've already done. There's done the bonus pages, the bonus footage. This is a tag, a journal and tag with the tuck spot, and you can write on the back of it. I done the ink work right here. Let's see. I showed you the mini notebook, belly band, fabric edge, mini notebook, belly band, fabric edge. Let's see. Envelope with a journal card. That was the one I showed yesterday. Prompt 8. This one right here, the envelope with the journal card. This is the card, the journal card, and you got space to write. And this envelope was decorated. Okay. Let's move along. I'm not going to prolong the time on this because I have something else I've discovered in another video content, my next content. This is some, this is vintage cards, postcard. Look at that. And you could also write on the back. I love old cards. And this is another one. I like them all. I just put an extra one. I like them all. Told you I'm unorthodox, okay? But I'll get better in the long run. Okay. Let me scratch that out. This is the book on this in here. Postcard. Just the postcards. I've done the hidden pocket. I've done the winter tag yesterday. Other videos. Tuck spot. Okay. About to wrap this up. That's it, baby. What I have left is, did I do the snowflake cluster? Did I find some snowflakes? I didn't have no snowflakes. But I think I found a few. Let's see. Yeah, I even put some art here. Some drawings and paintings. Nope, I haven't done the snowflake cluster. I didn't have no snowflakes. But I haven't done the snowflake cluster yet. I haven't done the winter collage. I didn't have nothing for no winter collage. But I will have that done. That's another one that I hadn't done. And the tassel. The tassel or the dangle for the journal. Now, I found something really pretty for that. For the tassel. I didn't put it on. I'm not putting it on. It's not ready. And because it has to be created. So I just have 3 left. The snowflake cluster, number 3. 10 is the winter collage page. And 15 is the tassel. Well, that's all, folks. I showed you what the rest of the prompts, and I have 3 left. When I come back with the next video, I will have those 3 done, and I will show you the entirety of this journal, because it is very fun. It's fun. The things I have in here. It's interesting and it's fun to say I've never done one before. I've never done a orchestrated, for the lack of a different word, or the follow direction challenge, which I think that was wonderful. I loved it. I did. Way more than I expected. Tie this back up. Next video, like I said, I'll have the rest of these prompts, and I have 3 of them, of these days of winter journal. 15 prompts. I mean, the challenge is through Stay Creating Crafting Circle, Miss Etta J, which make beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything's beautiful. I'm Miss T Ideas. Thank you for watching this video. If you see anything you like, everything was made by me. Everything. The cover, everything. If you see anything you like, please add a like to the video. And subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate this. And love you guys that have been rocking with me and hanging out with me, because the best is yet to come. Bye-bye.